The Philips Respironics recall of CPAPs update, April 2022. Hi, I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com, and I'm here to keep you updated on this Philips recall that's been going on all the way since June of 2021, and yeah, we're still at it. If you have not heard the latest news, this is super important, especially if you have registered your CPAP machine and you haven't heard much from Philips. If you would, subscribe to this channel because I'm committed to making sure that every time there's an update, new information, I'll share it with you. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that gray bell, hit all so that you get all of the notifications. Back in March of 2022, just about a month ago, there was an update. You might have seen it here on this channel. And basically the FDA told Philips that they are going to have to communicate better with the end users and with the DME companies and the doctors and all of the providers. So now what has happened is Philips actually has created something that will help you and them communicate better so that you know a little better as to where you stand with this recall. Are you going to get a new machine? Are you going to get a replacement? Are they going to do anything? Do they already have your information? So look in the description of this video right here, and I'm going to have links. Now there's going to be two links. One is to just show you what's going on with the recall. It's pretty lengthy, so you'll have to scroll down. The second link is way more important. On that second link, what you can do, even if you've already registered, go to that second link and put your serial number in for your CPAP. Whether you think it's recalled, you've already registered, doesn't matter. Just go ahead and put your serial number of your CPAP machine in there, and you'll be able to communicate a little more information. So basically what the FDA is saying now is, yeah, you got to communicate, and this whole first come, first serve approach is not working because some people need CPAP so much more. They need APAP, they need BiPAP. These machines have been recalled, so they're going to work with more of a tiered approach, I believe, and the people who need it more are going to be moved to the top of the list. So that's why it's so important. The action is required. Please do this. Go ahead and go to the description, put your serial number in. Hey, make sure you take the water out of the water reservoir before you flip that machine over to get the serial number. Hey, I know you know this, but just to say. But please do go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep you updated going forward. Hope you have a great evening. Watch this other video I've got right here. Thanks.